This all-electric small home living series is presented to you by SmartShare Housing Solutions, a nonprofit housing agency serving San Luis Obispo County. In partnership with 3C REN, Tri-County Regional Energy Network. SmartShare Housing Solutions does not have any financial interest in any style of home or product. We believe that there are more housing options available than people realize. Our goal is to introduce these alternatives to more people and to help make these options safe and legal. Welcome to the second video in our series. Today we'll be covering the appliances in this all-electric home. When it comes to electric appliances for small homes, several things should be taken into account. The functionality, design, energy efficiency, value for the price, product durability, small size, and noise produced by operating the appliance are important factors to consider when furnishing a tiny home. We've chosen all the appliances in this demo cottage with these considerations in mind. Let's go through the house and briefly discuss these appliances, starting in the kitchen. This 2-burner induction cooktop is an excellent choice for a small home. Induction works a bit differently than a traditional electric stove. It uses magnetic fields to heat your cookware directly, rather than heating the surface of the stove itself. Induction cooktops are energy efficient. Due to the direct energy transfer, roughly 90% of the energy used is transferred to the food you're cooking. That's 20% more efficient than an electric cooktop and 50% more efficient than a gas cooktop. Induction cooktops offer precise temperature control, allowing you to adjust heat levels more accurately. These cooktops remain cool to the touch during operation, reducing the risk of burning yourself. Since induction burners rely on a magnetic field to generate heat, they'll only work with cookware that's made from ferrous metals. Cast iron and most stainless steel pans will work well with induction, but copper or aluminum won't. If your existing pots and pans are not compatible, you may need to invest in new cookware. With the 120 compatible model featured in our demo cottage, you can only use one burner on high at a time. For 2 high-powered burners, or even 4 burners, 220 is needed. You can downsize without sacrificing space in the fridge. Our demo cottage has plenty of space for an apartment-sized fridge. Smaller fridges can provide enough food space, yet tend to be a bit louder than larger fridges with less insulation. They can even freeze food as they cycle on and off. For this reason, we recommend allocating a little bit more space for a larger fridge. There's no noise rating system for fridges, so if you are sensitive to noise in a small space where work and sleeping may be near a fridge, you may want to look into spending more for a European fridge model such as Bosch or Miele, which tend to be better insulated. Moving onto the counter, we see the all-in-one washer-dryer combo. These combination washer and dryers are popular across the world, and for good reason. Combo washer-dryer units are a great option for homes with limited space, as they eliminate the need for a separate washing machine and dryer. This can be particularly beneficial in a home roughly the size of an average laundry room. With a combined unit, you don't need to transfer clothes from a washer to the dryer, saving time and effort. Combination units use less energy than traditional washer and dryers, which adds to your ecological and financial savings. And no venting is required. This means you don't have to punch a hole in a wall or have to have the machine on an exterior wall. A big help for basement or closet installations, for example. Combination washer and dryers typically have a smaller capacity compared to a standalone washing machine or dryer. The all-in-one design means that you can't wash and dry simultaneously, and the heat pump drying process is slower than typical high heat drying, increasing total wash and drying time. Water heating is likely the largest component of energy used in a small home. There are several electric water heating options available. The demo cottage is equipped with an under-sink 10-gallon electric resistance water heater. While it is not the most efficient option, we like it for several reasons. It's small and fits conveniently under the sink, a space that is typically wasted. It is exactly at the main point of use, the kitchen sink, so there is no delay in waiting for water to get hot while doing dishes. It is a relatively small tank, not keeping more water hot than is necessary, and it's quiet, a necessity in a small space. For larger homes or homes with more than one occupant, higher energy efficiency and a larger supply of hot water can be obtained with either of these types of hot water heaters. Heat pump tank heater. These operate with high efficiency and can supply a lot of hot water with a minimum 40-gallon tank. Though they do require a minimum 3 foot by 3 foot space, and they tend to make a noise comparable to a quiet dishwasher when they run, which can be challenging if the heater is close to a bed in a very small home. Tankless on-demand water heaters. These heaters are high efficiency and just create as much hot water as is needed. They don't require much space, only about the size of a backpack, and can be attached to a wall. They require a 220-volt connection to get enough power to heat water quickly. Exhaust and vent fans. New homes in California are required to have exterior vented fans in cooking areas. They remove volatile particles. Exhaust fans come in a variety of styles and are available for as little as $150. In the living room, we'll see the heat pump high-efficiency heating and air conditioning unit for this home. This combined heating and cooling unit is ideal for the demo cottage because it is energy efficient. Mini splits avoid the energy losses associated with the ductwork of traditional systems. These systems are much less invasive to install. They require only a small hole in the wall to connect the outdoor and indoor units. And they're quiet. When compared to window units, mini splits are by far the quieter option. Mini splits have an average noise level of 32 decibels, whereas window units can have an average of 50 to 72 decibels. They can be costly up front. The initial cost of purchasing and installing a mini split system can be higher than the traditional heating and cooling systems. However, this cost will be offset by energy savings over time. As you can see, smaller, all-electric living doesn't mean sacrifice. Functional, stylish, efficient, all-electric appliances are here now and in the zero-carbon future. If you would like to learn more about SmartShare's housing programs, housing development, workshops, and other activities, learn more at smartsharehousingsolutions.org. Thank you to our partner, 3C Ren, for helping us create this all-electric small home living series. Learn more about 3C Ren at 3cren.org.